sunlight exposure gives you vitamin D. This is true. Cholesterol is converted into cholecalciferol in the skin. Cholecalciferol is converted into calcidiol in the liver. Calcidiol is converted into vitamin D in the kidney. Vitamin D then attaches to vitamin D binding proteins in the blood because it is not water soluble. Once vitamin D is in the blood, it travels until it finds and binds to vitamin D receptor, located in the nucleus of the small intestine cells. Vitamin D and vitamin D receptor form a hormone receptor complex, which binds to DNA and causes increased expression of a protein called calbindin, which is a channel in the membrane of small intestine cells that allows calcium to enter or be digested. Thus, calcium levels increase with more vitamin D.
Yay!
Steroid hormones are capable of passing through a cell's membrane. Once inside, they bind receptors and form a hormone receptor complex. This complex enters the nucleus and causes upregulation or downregulation of protein. Non-steroid hormones cannot pass through a cell's plasma membrane. Thus, to elicit a signal from a cell, it must bind to a receptor on the cell's membrane. The activated receptor then causes other molecules in the cell to invoke some kind of change.
Oh!
All androgens are born of the same molecule, cholesterol. Thus, they are steroids. Testosterone binds to sex hormone binding globulin, so it can travel through the blood. At the onset of puberty in males, when androgens need to be released, the hypothalamus begins to create and secrete protein hormone, gonadotropin-releasing hormone. GnRH leaves the hypothalamus and travels to the pituitary gland, where it causes the creation of a second protein hormone, luteinizing hormone. LH leaves the pituitary gland and finds luteinizing hormone receptors located in the Leydig cells in the testes.
Take 7. Action.
Like androgens, estrogen is not itself a hormone, but a class of hormones. Estrogens are associated with femaleness. The three most important are estradiol, which is most common during the reproductive years, estrone, which is the most common after menopause, and estriol, which is most common during pregnancy. Estrogens also come from cholesterol. They are also not water soluble, but have the ability to enter cells. Estrogen also bind to sex hormone binding globulin, in the same thing androgens bind to travel through the blood. Estrogens follow a similar release pattern to androgens. GnRH is made, which causes LH to be made in females. However, LH binds to receptors on granulosa cells in the ovaries, which causes estrogens generally.
We said our is the edge.